Meet Pallav and Abhiraj, best friends since forever. But like most of us, even the best of bonds can get tested.
One fight, misunderstandings, silence, and soon the weight of unspoken emotions takes over.
Both struggling, both hurting, but not sure how to deal with it.
That's when they discovered Y.M.I.R, yielding melodies for internal restoration, a space built for healing, growth, and rediscovery.
From mood seconds to soothing music, AI conversations, and guided breathing, Y.M.I.R starts turning the chaos into clarity. Y.M.I.R is more than just an app. It's a journey, a friend, a place to reset, and we are just getting started.
A shared song, a small step. Sometimes healing begins with music and a little push from Y.M.I.R. For the days that feel heavy, for the friendships worth saving, for you, discover the power of emotion driven wellness. Discover Y.M.I.R.